Hi guys, we received this ceiling fan for reviewing purposes, and what I like is that the fan blades are reversible, so you have this wood grain style and black style. It comes with everything you need to install it. And here we've got the instruction manual. And it's really nice because you can control it with a controller or with a application, which I quite like. And here we've got the installation of the app, so you can control it, so it's nice. These are the light fixture, another fixture for the ceiling fan, the proper base and main units, the controller and the receiver, and the base to the ceiling. So let's go ahead and install it in here and let's see how it looks. Okay, so as you can see, now it's already installed. I've got here the controller with me. You can change without problem with the temperature of the fan, and even control it with the application. As you can see, I can turn off the light, on and off, or I like it. Adjust the brightness. I'm gonna set it out to minimum. And now to maximum. Okay. There we white light to minimum. And to maximum. You can also control the speed of the fan and start a countdown, which you can program it up to 6 hours with the controller. And it's really nice, really easy to use, and really easy to assemble. So I would really recommend it. It's very nice, and I like it a lot. So yeah.